entrance to exhibition or pupunta tayo sa museum. Ito na. Oh, parang yung sa Fall of Bataan ba yun? Yan yung mga kamag-anak natin.
These are the people who died?
Dami pala eh. Ang dami sa Amerika. Mga taong nag-sacrifice sa gera ng South Korea. Ayan, dami. Hanggang doon. Dito pala yung pinaka-entrance ng museum. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung mga flag na tumulong sa Korea ng gera. Kasama yung Pilipinas. Wow, ganda. Ito yung main entrance. Sabay tayong mga estudyante. Diyan yung pinakaharapan. Oo nga eh. Nag-uunahan doon, meron pala dito. Wala lang flash, pwede naman mag-video. Kasabay namin estudyante. Ayun si Raven. Yung mga sundalo. Asa na siya? CR ulit.
Malamig.
Dito malamig.
My grandfather was joining the war. Who's talking to ROK? ROK, yeah. ROK.
Actual footage to ng Korean War. Freedom is not free. Ano ba ito?
Present. The fat boy and little boy. It's a fat man. It's a code name for the atomic bomb. So after they surrendered, the Soviet Union, they take over the North Korea, and America, they took over the South Korea. And actually we carry out the elections, but the North Korea, they didn't approve because they were outnumbered. The Korea's the population were many than North. So that's why they established their own country, the People's Republic of Korea. And America retreat, Soviet Union also retreat, and then China and Soviet Unions, the Kim Il-sung, they received approvals for invasions against the South Korea. Mao Zedong and also Stalin. And the Soviet Union, as they approved, they also send the war supply. For example, T-45 tanks. And then, as we distract the North Koreans' attention to the East Sea, we did Incheon landing operations. After the Incheon landing operations, we cut off all the supply of the North Korea and savage attack. We recaptured the Seoul. And also we almost unified the North Korea as the one single country. This is 200,000. Korea 100,000. Also, there is kind of suspicious accidents right before the war, date 25 June. 10 days earlier, our military sent nearly more than half of the soldiers to the vacation, the summer vacations. But right now it's a bit controversial whether the spy from South Korea, the officer, he was in our side, the spy was in our side, and he sent all the soldiers to the vacations. So that's why we couldn't counterattack like easily. And zero tanks, 242, as you can see, the huge gap.
Yan ginaya yung mga tricycle natin.
Oo nga na.
What was it like? The fire flames the borders.
Molotovs, yeah.
And march like, what is it, kamikaze, suicide missions. That was the only way to destroy the tanks. Because we didn't have tanks.
Eto si Michael. Si Michael. Kaliwa. Dito na si Raven.
So this is the Pyongyang right now where the North Korea's the capital is. Actually, we see right now by present the peninsula by satellite. Except the Pyongyang, all the places is dark because they don't have electricity powers to supply the other city.
Huwag mong papala siya. Wow, ganda.
Okay, 1, 2.
Uy, may tao sa taas. Noon, ganyan pa yung paghulog ng bomba. Oh. Tao-tao. Parang init sa loob.
Successfully destroy the battleships from the North Korea. Because the battleship from the North Korea was they intended to invade to the Busan by their battleships, but tragedies, like after he hear news, tragedies, I mean, very sad. After he hear
Ano yan, smart? Logi. Kapag pinindot mo siya, mag-explain siya ng English. Yan. Kaya nang iniwan na ako eh. Iniwan na kami.
First, it had a huge tidal gap between high tide and low tide. And you see there are
The brothers were attacking South Korea at multiple points, starting with small and localized aggressions and causing chaos and suspicion inside the South Korean society. The North Korean troops assigned to the boundary facing the South finally received order to initiate the invasion, with which they immediately complied, setting the 38th parallel on fire. South Korea was powerless to counter the sudden invasion by the North, which did not even accompany a proper declaration of war.
Tapos yung sapatos. Yung na-preserve na sapatos. Sombrero. Malaki pala to. Meron pa dun. Ayan, magbibigay ka ng message dito. Ayan. Tapos, gumawa ako ng message. Ito. Gumawa ako ito. Ayan. Your support. Thanks for the operations of the President from Philippines. Gagawa ka rin. Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda ng kuha. Parang totoo.
Starting from November of 1950, the hiding Chinese forces revealed themselves and started the main series of
May kasabay kaming mga sundalo siguro to na Amerikano. Ang dami nila. Nakasabay namin sa tour. Tubig sa ilog rin. Oh. Hindi siya kumukuha ng tubig sa ilog. Parang totoo.
the global politics does not work with mere talks. Cold culture, waiting and hoping that they will hop on to the allied vessels as well in order to escape from North Korea and to settle in the south. Well, initially the United Nations forces were quite reluctant to take them as well, because one, these ships came from not to take the refugees and not take the civilians. Their objective was to carry the weapons and the soldiers, military equipment first. So there was no room left for the civilians. So well, so the after that, well, that law was during the war, the law of the conscription was established, and from then on, the law has not been changed.
Hanggang third floor pa ba to? Ooh, walave. Para ka lang nasa Villamor Air Base dito. Daming aeroplano. Hindi ba yan mga tututs ba yan? Ang laki ng bumaba. Ito naman sa taas. Parang mga luma na pininturahan na lang. Oo, yun ang mga pininturahan.